Microsoft. Intelligent supply chain. How can I better predict demand for vehicle models and configuration features, and adapt to events and changing customer needs? How can I determine optimal inventory levels across my multi-tier supply chain that decrease waste and risk without losing sales? How can I leverage intelligent business applications and connected systems to synchronize everything across my supply chain? Microsoft provides innovative technology solutions such as sensors, networks, and ambient intelligence that simplifies and automizes from shop floor to customer door, increasing your productivity and agility, and helps ensure inventory and production are on pace with customer demand by leveraging multi-enterprise collaboration tools which understand your supply chain network. Ngazi is the VP of Supply Chain for a vehicle manufacturer. Everything about her business is big, but now powered by Microsoft Azure, Microsoft Office 365, Microsoft Dynamics 365 for finance, and Dynamics 365 supply chain management. Ngazi can keep up with the new speed of business by integrating digital factories with intelligent supply chains, which her production team can access for just-in-time updates on the production line. And she doesn't have to worry about the reliability because her factory of the future now includes IoT-connected devices and smart machines. So when maintenance is required, technicians are automatically dispatched to keep the production line flowing. Equipped with HoloLens, any of Ngazi's production team can get just-in-time training instructions and on-the-job assistance for new and complex vehicle configurations. Bottom line, Ngazi is no longer in the business of working harder. She's working smarter. Her company is transforming their innovation in vehicle design and new mobility experiences into profits with a dynamic and efficient multi-tier supply chain. Other suppliers are also transforming their supply chains and OEM factories. Automotive company ZF provides manufacturers with everything they need to build high-quality vehicles. They're also providing asset tracking solutions for these, using Azure IoT and machine learning. And Picard is helping onboard its vehicle factory workers, addressing skill gaps and keeping pace with product complexity using HoloLens 2 and Dynamics 365 guides. Leveraging a common Microsoft platform, they are using mixed reality integrated with their electronics work instructions and spare parts catalogs to revolutionize the way adults learn. Microsoft empowers automotive OEMs and their suppliers to create truly intelligent supply chains and factories of the future that leverage sensors, automation, collaboration, mixed reality, and AI to keep pace with vehicle innovation and increase business complexity. Microsoft, driving the future of mobility.